Hi everyone. Last class we learned how to draw a circle, so I wanted to go over it. In order to draw a circle, all you need really is to know the center and the radius. So in this example, we're given a circle with a center of -2, +1, and a radius of 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the point of my center at -2, 1. So here is -2 on the x-axis, and +1 is here on the y-axis. So my point -2, 1 is right here, and this is my center. Now the radius equals 3, so I can draw a distance of 3 from the center. Now, since we don't have a measuring tool, I am only going to draw horizontal or vertical distance. So from -2, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 units. I'm going to put a point here. And always from the center, I'm going to count 3 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3 here on the left. I'm going to go up 3 units from the center again. So 1, 2, 3. And from the center, I'm going to go down 3 units, 1, 2, 3. And you can see I have this cross-like shape, and I'm going to draw my circle now the best of my ability. I'm going to draw 2 arches. So here is my first arch, and then I'm going to do one on the bottom, and it is a sketch. So here is our circle. Okay. Then it asks you to write the equation of this circle. So I want to first remind you what that general equation is. So this distance is 3. If you remember, the general equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k, all of that squared, and then that equals the radius squared. So this is the general equation. Now the only thing I need to do to write my equation of the circle is enter my HK. Well, we know that our HK is the center. So our center is -2, 1, which represents h is equal to -2 and k is equal to 1. And 3 right here is our radius, which is our r. So I'm going to go ahead and just actually just substitute h with -2 and erase r because I'm going to substitute the values. So h is -2. I will put -2 here. And in a moment, we will see how that simplifies. I'm going to enter 1 here, and I did forget the square, so I'm going to square that. And then our radius is 3, so I'm going to go ahead and write 3 squared. Okay, now once I have my h and my k and my r in the equation, I'm just going to simplify the equation. Anytime we have 2 negatives, we can change that to a plus. So instead of x minus -2, I'm just going to write x plus 2 squared, which means the graph has shifted 2 units to the left. Remember, h is a horizontal shift. So I can see with this +2 that the graph shifted 2 to the left. Where did it shift from? The origin, 0. And then we have y minus 1, which means the graph has shifted 1 up since our k value is 1. And our radius is 3, but then we always write the radius squared, which is 9. So here we have our equation of this circle. X plus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9.